So good. So good. Hey besties, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Leendo and this is Leendo's Kitchen. So today besties, we'll be making cream cheese cookies. Yes, we'll be making cream cheese cookies. So I'm gonna take you guys along and just show you the ingredients and also the method on how to actually make these super delicious and super soft cream cheese cookies. Anyway, please do remember to subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and also just give the video a huge thumbs up, guys. And yeah man, do enjoy the video.
Ooh, when I'm feeling so hungry, I go watch my favorite girl. When she's cooking and baking, I love that delicious dessert. Man, I love that Leendo's Kitchen. Leendo's Kitchen, I love you, Leendo. Yeah. Cook for me, my Leendo. Man, I love that Leendo's Kitchen. Leendo's Kitchen, I love you, Leendo. Yeah. Cook for me, my Leendo.
Okay besties, so right now I'm gonna take you through the ingredients. They're really not that hectic, but obviously the main ingredient is the cream cheese because cream cheese cookies. So first and foremost, we have 1 cup and 3/4 of flour, so that's almost 2 cups. And then we have half a teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, we've got 1 egg, we've got granulated sugar, basically that's the normal white sugar. And then we are going to need 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence. And then we've got our cream cheese, which is half a cup. It should be at room temperature. And then lastly, we have got a half a cup of butter. You can also use margarine, so it should also be at room temperature. So basically those are the only ingredients that we need. Did I mention the egg? 1 egg, but I feel like it's pretty obvious. So you do need just like 1 egg. And then yeah, basically these are the ingredients. And then as you know, whenever we're baking biscuits, we usually mix the dry ingredients separately and the wet ingredients separately, then we combine them. So that is going to be the case for this recipe as well. So we're going to start by mixing the dry ingredients, and then once we are done with that, we're going to mix the wet ingredients, and then we'll gradually pour our flour mixture into the wet ingredients. But anyway, let me not keep on talking much. Let me show you guys exactly the entire method step by step. Stay tuned. Okay besties, so firstly we're going to mix our dry ingredients. That is the flour, the baking powder, as well as the salt. So I'm just going to add our half a teaspoon of baking powder into the flour, as well as half a teaspoon of salt. And then just use your whisk to combine everything together. Make sure that it is mixed properly and thoroughly. Okay besties, so we are done mixing our dry ingredients. So right now you're just going to set this aside, and then we are going to start mixing our wet ingredients. So with the wet ingredients, I'll be using an electric hand mixer, but if you don't have an electric hand mixer, then you can use a whisk, although it might take a bit longer, but it will do the job. So anyway, let us get into it, then I'll show you. Okay besties, so right now we're going to mix our wet ingredients. So first and foremost, I'm going to add our margarine, but in this case I'm using butter. And then I'm gonna first mix I'm gonna mix the butter up until it's light and fluffy. Then I'm going to add the cream cheese, then mix it. Then after that I'm gonna add the sugar, gradually adding it as I'm mixing, and then the 1 egg, and then the vanilla. So let's do that. Okay, so right now I'm adding sugar, but remember I said I'm gonna add the sugar gradually. Okay, so right now I'm going to add our one egg. Okay, besties, so now we are adding our 2 teaspoons of vanilla essence. Okay, so now we're going to be gradually adding our flour mixture, remember this, into our wet mixture, and then we're going to mix, and then we're going to set the whole mixture in the fridge for about an hour. So we'll just refrigerate it for an hour so that the dough can be nice and firm, because it's going to be very, very soft. Okay, besties, so we are done. This is how our dough looks like. So right now I'm going to put it into the refrigerator for about 1 hour so that the dough can be a bit stiff. It's a very soft dough, and also you need to cover it with a cling wrap and then just refrigerate it. So I'm going to do that right now, and then I'll show you guys once you come back after the hour. Stay tuned. Okay, besties, so an hour has passed and I just took it out of the refrigerator, as you can see. So right now what we're gonna do is we're gonna be scooping out the dough, and then we roll it into balls, and then we're gonna place it on the pan. So I'm gonna quickly do that, but first let me preheat my oven. Please put it at 180 degrees. Let me quickly. Okay, so this is how the dough looks like. It's much stiffer than before, so you're just gonna scoop out a bit, something like that, and then you roll it. And then onto the pan. So right now I'm going to take them into the oven, and then they're going to bake for 10 minutes. Please ensure that you keep on checking your oven. If you happen to maybe want to leave it slightly more than 10 minutes, obviously ovens are not the same. So, but as for me, I'm going to bake them for 10 minutes, and then we'll take it from there. I'll come and show you guys once I'm done. Okay, besties, so we are done. Our cookies have cooled down very nicely, and this is how they look. I'm not sure if you guys can see it, but this is how they look. They are sort of like thick, you know, they're not flat cookies. So let me just taste one. So in the middle they are very soft. Can you see that? They are very soft. So good. So good. They taste delicious. Okay, besties, Thank you so much for tuning into this video. Do remember to give the video a huge thumbs up. And if you happen to try these cookies out, just ensure that you do let me know how they turn out. But trust me, they taste so good. So good. So make sure that you try them out and let me know in the comment section below. And I'll see you besties on my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.